I think nakikita naman natin sa mga posts na the way the AMLAC numbers are presented, aggregate kasi yan. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng withdrawals mo, lahat ng deposits mo pagdating sa inflow and outflow, pinagsama-sama. Simplihan ko lang. Meron akong 1,000 pesos. Dineposit ko. Withdraw ko. Diba? Ang lalabas sa total transactions mo, 2,000 na. Pero actually, ang nasa bangko mo, 0 na. Diba? So, ganun kasimple, no? Now, and so kaya sinasabi namin na, again, hindi ko sinasabing maling AMLAC. I want to show due respect naman to AMLAC. But the way that AMLAC data is normally presented is that it is an aggregate of all transactions. Para lang maintindihan ng taong bayan na ganun kasi the way it's presented. Ina-add lahat ng deposits, ina-add lahat ng pumasok bale sa account mo, ina-add lahat ng lumabas. But it is not determinative or conclusive as to magkano pa talaga yung nasa loob ng account. And we are talking about transactions that span over 18 years, if I'm not mistaken, over 18 years. So, yun ang magiging talagang para sa amin. It's bloated talaga ang number.